Are you struggling to level up your heroes in Last War Survival? Hero experience can be hard to come by, but if you know where to look, you'll climb levels quickly. Welcome back to Meta Instincts. Today's video will show you 5 effective ways to farm hero experience fast, even as a free-to-play player. Operation Falcon. Operation Falcon is one of the best sources of hero experience in the early gameplay. Clearing each stage gives you a solid amount of experience. For instance, if you're up to level 48 and beyond in the Special Ops, you'll earn 330,000 hero experience per stage. It's not just fun, it's rewarding. Don't worry if you get stuck. Video guides are available for every stage, helping you pass the harder ones. And here's the cool part, the difficulty is not based on your power, so you can keep progressing and earning experience without maxing out your base first. So, take your time, enjoy the minigames, and clear as many stages as possible. Buildings. Training bases are the passive experience generators. Upgrade them to increase experience production and build more as your headquarters level rises. Don't forget to collect them regularly so the storage doesn't max out. Besides, completing a building upgrade will also give you hero experience. The longer the upgrade time, the greater the experience. Thus, make sure to keep all builders busy. Kill zombies. Killing zombies is a classic way to get hero experience. A small zombie, such as Ironhead, costs 10 stamina. Doom Elite costs 20 stamina per rally. You will regenerate 1 stamina every 5 minutes, or 288 per day. If your stamina bar is full, regeneration stops, so spend it regularly. You can also replenish stamina with items or diamonds. But here's our advice. Don't waste diamonds on stamina, save diamonds for better purchases. One good news is that GemZ is extending its support to Last War Survival and is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Armed Truck. Once you clear all the zombies around your base, you'll unlock the exploration stages in the Armed Truck. The Armed Truck is like a loot generator that gives you resources and hero experience over time. The amount you get depends on how many exploration stages you've cleared, so push those stages as far as you can. Unlike Operation Falcon, this mode uses your actual hero as the squad power. So upgrade your heroes and come back often to push further. Also, don't let the loot max out. Collect regularly to keep it running. Bonus tip, assign Hunter-class heroes to the truck to extend looting time. Radar and Secret Command Post. Completing radar events is essential to grow your base faster. Some radar events like Monica's Plan and Assist Ally give hero experience. You can store some events for the Alliance duel to gain points but don't hit the maximum storage. Clear some events to make room for new tasks. Next, we have the Secret Command Post. Complete 6 personal tasks and help 5 ally tasks daily to gain lucrative rewards. The better the task quality, orange, purple, blue, the better the rewards. Refresh your personal tasks to try for higher quality ones. You can also plunder up to 5 tasks from other players on the world map. Look for task icons near the active Alliance hive and click the plunder button. Similarly, orange tasks are preferred if you can find them. Bonus tips. Don't waste experience on blue heroes. You won't use them later. Focus on your strongest orange hero first. They'll be your core. Keep your experience focused on your primary formation, not spread thin across everyone. And that's 5 ways to get hero experience fast in Last War Survival. Please like, share, and subscribe to Meta Instincts if you found this helpful. Drop a comment below if you've got more experience tips to share. I'm Alan, see you in the next video.